So Mr. Sarthak, we want to find the area of the shaded region. This is the area that we want to find. Now the inside radius is 3.5 centimeter. This is the inside radius, and the outside radius is 7 centimeter. This is the outside radius. Mr. Sarthak, how should we do this question?
So the radius of the outer circle will be R1 and the radius of the inner circle will be R2. So the area of the outer circle will be pi R1 square. So 3.14 into 7 into 7. So the answer will be 153.86 centimeters square.
Mr. Mr. Satya, have you understood what he has said? Mr. Satya. So Sarthak, what you are suggesting is that if we want to find the area of the shaded region, all that we need to do is basically, if the inside radius is R1 and the outside radius is R2, then the area of the outside circle would be pi R2 square. The inside circle will be pi R1 square. So area of the shaded region would be equal to pi r2 square minus pi r1 square. I can take pi common, therefore the area of the shaded region would be r2 square minus r1 square. Mr. Sarthak, is it correct?
Yes, sir.
Mr. Satya, is it correct? Mr. Satya, am I audible? Mr. Satya can't hear me. Okay. So in this question, in this question, in this question, we are given the inside radius to be 3.5 centimeter. The outside circle is 7 centimeter, and therefore shaded region would be pi into 7 square minus 3.5 square. Mr. Sarthak, is it correct?
Yes, sir.
Mr. Satya, have you understood?
Yes, sir.
Now, how can we solve this, Mr. Satya?
So we have to like we have to take pi that. Yeah.
The value of y, the value of pi, they will tell you in the exam, either you take this to be 22 by 7 or you take this to be 3.14. You put the value of pi here and then you calculate. Mr. Sarthak, is it correct?
Yes, sir.
Mr. Sarthak, what is the answer that you got?
115.4 centimeters square.
115 point?
4 centimeters square.
Satya, any doubt?
Yeah, so I didn't understand this.
What you didn't understand?
So the last one, like the calculation.
Okay. Have you understood the formula?
Yeah, sir.
So for example, if this is the inside radius and this is the outside radius, then the area of the shaded portion would be outside area minus the inside area, and that is why this is the formula. Satya, are we clear till here?
Yes, sir.
So if we are clear till here, then all that we need to do is just put in the value. Say for example, if I choose my pi to be 22 by 7, let me assume that my pi is 22 by 7. So all that I need to do is just put the value of pi here. R2 is 7 square minus R1 square, 3.5 square. Now you need to calculate the value of 7 square, which will be 49, and you need to calculate the value of 3.5 square. 3.5 square into 3.5 is 12.25. So you calculate this and you will find the value of the area. Satya, any doubts still?
No, sir, understood.
just remember that whatever answer you write, just put centimeter square, because the area is always square. It will either be centimeter square or meter square or decimeter square. Please use the proper units. Mr. Sarthak, any doubt till here?
No, sir.
Mr. Satya, how can we find the area of this figure? So the dimensions that are given is that the radius of this circle is 14 centimeter. For the rectangle, the length is 7 centimeter. The breadth is 3 centimeter. Mr. Satya, can you tell how to solve this question?
Yeah, so first we have to find the area of this rectangle. So the area for the rectangle would be 21. So then, and then you have to find the circle's this area. So 22 upon 7 into, uh, sir, I didn't get this.
Which one?
Sir, I didn't understand the area of circle.
Which area of a circle is pi r square? Any doubt?
No, sir.
So area of a circle, if this is a circle that I have, then the full area of the circle would be pi r square. Any doubt about this?
No, sir.
Now out of this area, what I need is I need to subtract the area of the rectangle which is there. Any doubt?
No, sir.
So out of the full circle, I need to subtract the area of the rectangle which is length into breadth. Any doubt?
No, sir.
Mr. Sarthak, is it correct?
Yes, sir.
So that is all that we have done, Satya. What we
Okay,
have done
sir.
is we have taken the area of the circle, which is pi into r square. Then we will subtract the area of the rectangle, which will be equal to 7 into 3. And you can solve this. Let me take pi as 22 by 7 into 14 into 14 minus 21. So this would be 7 to the 14, 14 to the 28, 28 into 22 would be 616 minus 21 would be equal to 595 centimeter square. Mr. Sarthak, is the answer correct?
Yes, sir. 594.44. It's 594.4.
Acha, you would have taken the value of pi to be 3.14.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Satya, any doubt earlier?
No, sir.
So, Mr. Satya, there are these simple formulas that we need to remember for circle. One is the area of the circle, which is the other formula, Mr. Sarthak.
So the circumference of the circle.
What is the circumference of a circle, Mr.
2
Sarthak?
pi.
2 pi r. Mr. Satya, any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay. Now, this same question can be modified like this also. What they can say is that there is a rectangle and then there is a radius. The length of the rectangle is L, the breadth is B, the radius is R, and then what they might ask is tell us the area of the shaded region, and the shaded region may look something like this. Sarthak, have you understood the question?
Yes, sir.
Sarthak, how will you do the question?
So we'll first find the area of the whole rectangle,
Shabash.
and then we'll find area of the circle, then we'll subtract.
Mr. Satya, any doubt? Mr. Satya, any doubt? Area of the shaded region. Mr. Satya, am I audible?
Yes.
What will be the area of the shaded region, Mr. Satya?
So first we have to find the area of the rectangle.
Shabash. What will be the area of the rectangle?
L into B.
Shabash. Then what do we do?
Then sir, we have to do the
Area of
pi.
the area of the circle, which
So sir,
is
it would be pi r.
pi r
Sat.
pi r
Yeah.
square. Pi r square.
Yeah, pi r square.
Any doubt?
No sir.
Okay. So they might take any kind of questions, and once you understand the concept, the things become easier.